Interactions are transforming all industries, and mobile is the driving force, reinventing everyday life. For me, the magic happens when mobile interactions enable businesses to reinvent mundane processes. Think about how mobile enhanced the process of airline check-in and insurance apps. These are great everyday examples of systems of interaction. As developer of these systems, we can leverage mobile to reinvent our business. It starts with users at the center. With mobile as an enabler, we interact with users through the Internet of Things, using smartphones, cars, TVs, desktops, etc. This breeds an environment of interactions that are context-aware, time and social-aware, experience-driven, connected to systems of record, highly instrumented, and can be rapidly revised. Context and interactions help us build systems of interaction that reinvent everyday life. The design uses 4 simple verbs: detect, enrich, perceive, and act. Detecting opportunities to engage customers and employees, enriching context with historical data and trends, perceiving dynamic context from location, time, social media, and other events, and acting on the new insights. Here's an example how it works. GC Cab Company is a new kind of cab organization. Instead of owning taxis, we own mobile apps. Imagine you're in a busy city and need to hail a taxi. Download and register the GC Finder app, then simply click the Hail Now button. Our systems track nearby taxis and select the best one based on location and traffic. On the driver's side, your driver responds to your hail and uses Google Maps to find you. When you get in the taxi, the apps form a geofence so that payment is processed automatically at your destination. Now, hailing a taxi has become a pleasurable, game-like experience thanks to an innovative mobile app. We can build this kind of app using our newly defined open cloud architecture. The developer uses JavaScript and HTML5 on the front end and uses REST to communicate with services in the cloud. The developer also develops his backend services in JavaScript with Node and uses MongoDB to store customer data. This architecture lets the developer compose applications from a collection of high-value services to promote productivity, like a predictive analytics service to optimize taxi placement. Here's the new Bluemix tech preview, which lets the developer choose the programming language and services he needs. Mobile app development is seamlessly integrated with capabilities from WORKLIGHT Studio. This platform was designed with DevOps in mind, supporting rapid revision. It even supports dev and test on a mini cloud running as a sandbox on your desktop. With new geolocation capabilities from WORKLIGHT, we can better detect opportunities for interaction. Using WORKLIGHT's location-based triggers, we push interactions directly to the mobile client. This reduces network usage and saves battery life. Rapid revision has to come with continuous quality. With the new embedded functional testing features of WORKLIGHT, we can record the tests once and play them back against multiple device OSs. This ensures a consistent experience regardless of the device type. To enrich the system with data from a variety of sources, we have to integrate. DataPower v6 and IBM API management make this possible, letting us manage and consume data feeds from partners with information like payment and traffic data. Security is critical, so we use DataPower's integration with WORKLIGHT to protect the environment. To perceive context, let's talk about the dynamic style of queries in system of interactions. The user has a location and is in a specific area. They have a direction. These real-time data sources form the glossary of terms used in the business rules. And this is where Operational Decision Manager comes in and lets us create business rules that combine taxi location with real-time data sources, such as traffic and weather. And now the final step is to act, to optimize our mobile payment process. Enter IBM TLeaf, which helps manage the customer experience. With TLeaf, we can instrument the mobile app to perform usage analytics. TLeaf shows us how optimizing the payment process leads to easier payment completion, more satisfied customers, and higher revenue. Mobile reinvents everyday life. Here, we delivered a simple yet innovative system where we detect opportunities to engage customers and enrich those interactions with knowledge, establishing a vivid view of users' context. Our system perceives in the now to act in ways that transform the business. With this kind of design and these capabilities, you can develop your own system of interaction.